morning everyone and welcome to our Parent Orientation 2021-22. Today is Gudi Padwa and Cheti Chand, a new year and a new beginning. I wish you all a happy Gudi Padwa and happy Cheti Chand. As we started the academic year on 1st of April 2021, the classes are going on virtually, and as per the parent suggestion and feedback, we have come to a decision that some classes, some videos will be sent of the explanation by the teachers, some writing material will be sent, and one Google Meet of one subject will be conducted every day so that teachers can interact with the students online. This decision is taking into consideration some of the students who have issues regarding the network. So as a family, thinking about everyone so that everybody can be benefited. Some of them can see the videos later. So this decision has been taken and the timetable for this has already been sent. Also, my dear parents, last year you all supported us by coming to school for submission, for taking the worksheets. So thank you for all your support, and this year I am looking forward for the same support from your side. Also, after my video, my coordinators will brief you about the curriculum and the methodology of our teaching. Manish sir will show you how to download the school app and how to use the Google Meet. So now I will start with my presentation where I'll show you which are the activities we conducted last year and how we are going to do this year.
I welcome you to Divine International School and thank you for choosing us and being a part of our family. Our vision is to make every student a successful learner, a confident individual, and a responsible citizen. Our mission is to promote excellence in every dimension of students' life and to work for their holistic development. As per the current situation, we have started online classes from 1st of April for grade 1 and 1 to 10 and for pre-primary section from 8th of April. This year we have a good number of admission. We are happy to announce that we will be having the first batch of grade 10 this year and also planning for grade 11 the next year. We have also planned artificial intelligence as a skill subject from grade 6 to grade 10. We have recruited experienced and outstanding teachers to join our team. Our in charge will give the introduction to you. We follow a different methodology of teaching. As we have students with different intelligence, every student is unique and have their own capability to learn things. As we work on the holistic development of the child, we follow activity-based learning, which helps them to clarify the concepts, develop self-confidence, learn to think out of the box, enhance their creativity. They are involved in the activity and so they understand better. Here are the glimpses of some of the activities which was conducted last year, which was conducted online. Last year, through online activities, they learned healthy habits, how to wash their hands, also about the 3 magic words, and different activities were planned by the teachers to inculcate values in them. They learned about germination by sowing the seeds, taking care, which helps to develop love and care for nature. We had also arranged special assembly for special events. Some of the assemblies were conducted by the students, some by the teachers, which were again online. We had arranged cultural festivals which were also online, like Raksha Bandhan, they made Rakhis. For Eid, they made colorful posters, Navratri celebration, Christmas celebration, Diwali celebration, etc. This helps to inculcate in them the respect for all religion and culture. Besides these, we also had national festival to foster patriotism in our learners. Not only this, there were yoga and meditation classes also online to keep our learners both fit physically and mentally. Of course, not forgetting the family values. Thank you, dear parents and grandparents, for participating in the event with our learners and encouraging them. We also have major events like investor ceremony, theme presentation, sports day, annual function, graduation ceremony. This year, invest ceremony was a little different. Every year we have elections and then the head boy and head girl are selected, the captains and vice captains, the elected, and then they are given their duties. This year the election was done online and the parents were given the duty to enroll the captains and the vice captains. This helps to develop a sense of responsibility and the leadership quality in the learners. Here are the different houses: the Tata house, the Ambani house, the Gandhiji house, and Dr. Kalam house. This year, theme presentation also was very different. The name given to a theme presentation was Corona Kya Rona. All the students participated in it. 4 houses had 4 different themes, and even the pre-primary students participated in the activity. They gave different presentation like speeches, dances, role play, etc. And it was a wonderful performance put forth by all. I would like to thank all the parents and teachers for all their hard work they have put to make this event a great success. The award ceremony of this event is still pending, which will be done in a very short time. Also, we had sports day. This year, unfortunately, there was no sports day, but I hope to see my students soon on the ground, in the school and on the ground. We had graduation ceremony where students of senior KG were graduated to grade 1. We had awareness program for cleanliness and also to spread the thoughts of our father of our nation. Besides all this, we had educational trips where children learn to explore their knowledge. Not only that, we have external exam to build up their self-confidence like Olympiad and Spell Bee International. Last year, it was online. Many students participated and they achieved medals and certificates. I would like to congratulate all my dear students for their achievement, for the last year's achievement, and also this year the registration has started and the details will be sent to you in your groups. We look forward for your partnership so that our learners can achieve their highest potential. I want to thank you for your trust as we work together for our children in this difficult time. You take care of their health and your health as well. We hope to see our students back to school soon. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Good morning all. Myself Mrs. Avni Nayak, Pre-Primary Coordinator. Our Honorable Respected Deepika ma'am made presentation on NEP. I hope everyone has seen. Today I am going to explain you all. We at Divine International School followed curriculum and methodology, how it is different, and plan for the holistic development of a child.
I, Mrs. Avni Nayak, welcome you all to Divine International School. Every child is someone's whole world. They are very precious for their parent, and your child is ours, so they are equally precious for us. Child needs, their smiling faces are important for us all. As heartbeats are important for being alive, our kids are our heartbeats. All parents want to see their child happy or stressed child. No, I know we the parents and all the teachers and everyone likes to see their children happy. Traditional assessment and evaluation system, written exams, oral exams, and teacher centric. Early in the school, chalk and chalk method followed. Means teacher only speak and speak. It was one way. Here is very good quote written by Albert Einstein on our education system. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Here is a picture. In this picture, many animals are there. In front of them, one teacher is sitting. He is telling all the students that for a fair selection, everybody has to take the same exam. Please climb that tree. So, you can see that a crow, a monkey will be able to climb. But what about others? So, we cannot have same evolution teaching method for all. So, we follow different teaching methodology from others. As we want all over development of our learners, these are our vision in education system. Curriculum focus on fine and gross motor skills, teaching methodology and evaluation system. Now I am going to explain each topic briefly. Curriculum letter. We design our curriculum letter in a different way. We ensure children understand their roots before they explore their wings. This is an example. We divided English subject as rhymes, picture talk, puppet show, story, role play, alphabet and phonic sound. We make their learning easy and work all over development for each child. In each and every subject, we focus on their skills. This picture talk and role play develop their speaking skills. According to NEP, we are trying best for the development of our learners. Last year, we did many fine motor and gross motor activities. Present year also we have planned this type of activities. This activity develop their hands and leg muscles, develop their hand and eye coordination. It develops their tip of fingers muscles also. We have planned brainstorming activities also to develop their brains. With the help of hygiene activities, we develop their good manners and healthy habits. We have a different teaching methodology. We have activity-based learning. Activity-based learning means it is method of learning by doing. Why do we need to use activity-based learning? So, it is student-based activity method. It makes the student independent and confident. It gives the real work experience to the student. Students involves wholehearted in the learning process according to their needs, attitude, interest and ability. We celebrated Color Day and activities related to it to clarify their color concepts. For teaching method, we designed some different activities to make them feel that they are very precious, they are very special. They make independent. They start to do their work by own. We have learning outcome in each and every activity. We involve children's head, heart and hand in teaching. Here I want to speak one good quote. Tell me and I forgot. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I understand. So we involve the child so that they understand better and their concept should be clear. Nowadays, we all find that kids make screenage. They forgot about our nature. All human beings adopt different new lifestyle. So we take them back around the nature. As I said, we have learning outcome of each and every activities. We gave important as it early years helps brain development. We develop their speaking skills through different activity in different languages. Here are few examples which we have taken activities in different languages. We celebrate all type of festival so that they respect all religion and to enhance their creativity also. In the small age, thinking skill and emotional skills are very important skills. So they start to thinking by their own, for which we had planned some free play activities also. With activity, we build family values from the early age. Here are the picture for the free play. We gave free play by blocks in nursery, clay or a duff in junior KG, and watercolor with in senior KG. We have different evolution system in nursery, junior KG and senior KG. We have all over observation. According to NEP, there is no examination till grade 2. In grade 1 and 2, we have 4 periodic tests. Each has 40 marks. But we divided these 40 marks in 2 months. Test 1 and 2 in periodic 1, test 3 and 4 in periodic 2, test 5 and 6 in periodic 3, test 7 and 8 in periodic 4. 10 marks pen paper test and 10 marks activity. Activity for development of our learners. Here is a timetable for revision. To make pen paper test very easy, we have revision in each and every subject on every Saturday of a month. Regular classes are on Monday to Friday. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to use School app and Google Meet. For that, first you have to download these two apps from the App Store. To go to your App Store and search for Divine Public School and you will get the first app. Okay, it's developed by Zimba Infotech and download, and second app is Google Meet. Search for it and download the app. Okay, after you finish downloading, open your app. Okay, it asks for ID and password. For that you have to enter your mobile number for ID and password. Okay, in this app you can see your student attendance, timetable, syllabus, academic calendar, e-certificate, result, and these facilities are available in this app. Then next comes is your Google Meet. As soon as your subject teacher will send you a Google Meet link, you just have to click on it and wait for the teacher to add you in the Google Meet. That's all for the video. If you have any doubts or a query, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.